Thaa inyanya na ndagika 34 niguo president ekinyirie bunge-ini ya bururi na mbere ya thiete kuheana ndumiriri yake ni ageire na kanya kwa rita ria mbere kuma atuika president guthurima faredi ya mbiraru cia riera-ini ta uria ari mutugo. Ruto agwikinyetie guku niguo kuhingura bunge ya 13 hamwe na seneti ya kana na ndumiriri-ini yake president ni arongoreirie wigi uria bururi uhana kimbeca akiuga ati bururi nduikaire wega.
Our financial situation is not very good. For Kenya to grow to an upper income country, we need to invest at least 25% of our GDP. Our current national savings is below 10% of our GDP.
Na niguo kung'ethanira na thina wa mbeca bururi-ini, president ni endekithirie maundu matiganite hamwe na mwari ni kunyihia mbanjeti ya imwe cia ministry mwaka uyu niguo gucokaniriria mbeca cingiteithiriria bururi ndugakombe mbeca nyingi.
For the next 3 years, we must reverse this and go back to the situation where government contributes to the national saving efforts by keeping recurrent expenditure below revenue. To this end, I have instructed Treasury to work with ministries to find at least 300 billion shillings in this year's budget so that we can remove it, because the market cannot sustain the kind of borrowing we are doing as government.
Hamwe na uguo, president ni arongoreirie na guthondeka mitaratara mieru ya ungania wa magoti akiuga ati mitaratara iria iri ho ihinda-ini riri ikoretwo ikihinyiriria amwe a Kenya undu uria ehotorete ati no nginyagia ukinya muthia.
The economic principle of equitable taxation require that the tax burden reflects ability to pay.
Mitaratara ingiri ya Ruto agwetete ya guteithiriria kung'ethanira na moritũ maria magomeire ya Kenya na muno wigie ng'aragu ni guthondeka njira ya gutigirira kuri na mai ma kuigana urimi-ini akiuga ati ni gugubatarania thirikari kunyitanira na honge cia andu kiumbe gwetha kihonia gia thina wa mai ma urimi.
Administration will allocate resources every year to the hustler fund from which micro, small and medium enterprises can access affordable credit to start and expand their businesses.
Gukiri uguo, president ni ahinyiriirie kunyitanira kwa bunge na honge citiganite cia thirikari niguo kuhetukia mitaratara yake watho iria irabatarania niguo kurutithia wira mibango ngurani ya thirikari.
Parliament to consider a mechanism in the standing orders to facilitate cabinet secretaries to articulate government agenda, explain policy, and answer questions on the floor of the House to enhance executive accountability.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gojiri.